Okay folks, this is a Rat Rod's Garden. I'm going to start up a cooking channel, my own cooking channel for eating healthy, or the best I can eat healthy. I'm having a bacon wrapped asparagus. We've already started that on the grill, or my grill. And we're going to have a cup of noodles. They're not the healthiest for you, but if I rinse them and just use the noodles, they'll be healthy for me. So what we're going to do is we're going to open this up. Oh, by the way folks, I quit using drugs, I quit smoking, and I quit drinking. So I found myself up here, and I'm going to better my life. If I better my life, or if I do the things that can better my life, then I'll better my life. But if I don't do the things that will better my life, I'll be the same. And I don't like the way I am or who I am today. So I'm going to try to better my life. And so we got to rinse these noodles somehow. So I'll be right back. And little Johnny's passed out right now. He's sleeping. Well, he kind of moved, but yeah, he's sleeping. So we rinsed the noodles. We're just waiting for the bacon to get done. I'll turn the bacon. It's about ready to turn. And this is not real healthy for you because it's the bacon. But it's gonna be fucking awesome. So we'll get healthier as we go. And this belly, I hope it transforms to go away, because I have a workout schedule that I'm doing. I'm working out every day, and disciplining myself to become a better person. So, without further ado, let's just keep cooking. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook these, and when they're done, I'm going to put my noodles on and let them cook up on the grill. I'll drain the bacon off, or the bacon grease. I'll drain it off, and I'll just put the noodles on there and get them hot, and throw some butter or something on there to make it taste good. I have been struggling my whole life, and I'm tired of struggling and having nothing. I have one animal that I care about and only care about today. And that's little Johnny. And I'm doing this for me and little Johnny. So, till next time folks, peace out, and I'll send photos of the dinner. Love you all. Peace out.